To fix a Maytag top-load washer that's not spinning, several potential causes should be considered. These include an incorrect wash cycle, an overloaded washer drum, a faulty lid switch assembly, or a damaged drive belt. To resolve the issue, start by selecting the right setting. Check the washer's cycle settings and choose the appropriate cycle. If this doesn't work, try resetting the washer by unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in and starting a new cycle. It's also essential to ensure the wash load is properly sized and balanced. If the load is too large, stop and unplug the washer. Offload and redistribute the load, and make sure the feet of the washer are balanced. Close the lid and restart the washer. If the problem persists, assess the lid switch assembly by unplugging the washer, using a multimeter to test for continuity, and disconnecting the wiring harness. Place the multimeter probes on the terminals of the lid switch, and if it doesn't show continuity when the lid is closed, replace it with a new one. Another possibility is a damaged drive belt, which can be inspected by unplugging the washer from the power and carefully pulling the belt off the motor pulley and the drum pulley. To replace the belt, place the new drive belt around the drum pulley first, ensuring it sits evenly on both pulleys. Reattach the washer panels, plug the washer back in, and ensure it spins as expected. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Maytag top-load washer that's not spinning.